On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money on Digistore24 using free classified ads. This method is free, and the best part is that you can use this method to make money as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come right here and then click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. You can come right here and then select any category that you want. Once you click on it, you can get a lot of different digital products that you can promote under that category. You can see they have animals and pets, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationships. You can see email marketing, education, family and case. You can see fashion, fitness and health. As you can see, there are a lot of different categories of products that you can select to promote on this platform. If you want, you can also come right here and then sort the products by their popularity, their earning per sale, their earning per cart visitor, their publication date, sales rank, cart conversion and cancellation rate. So it depends on whatever that you want. In this case, I'm going to select the sales rank. You want to get the products that are getting a lot of sales on this platform. Once you sort by the sales rank, you are going to scroll down. You can see this product right here, keto meal plan. This is the product that is getting a lot of sales on this platform. When you scroll down, you can see there's another one right here, tube mastering and monetization. This product is ranking number 2 based on the sales rank. You can see right here the commission rate is 50%. That is $203.10 per every sale that you get. So this is the amount that you are going to be earning per sale. As I scroll down, you can see there's another product right here. The commission rate is 75%. In terms of money, you are going to be earning $25.02 per every sale that you get. As I scroll, you can see there's another product. You can see there's another one right here. So if you want, you can just scroll down and then select the product that you want. If you click on the second page, you are still going to find a lot of products that you can promote. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here. You can see the home doctor. So when you scroll down, you can see right here the cart conversion is 20%. This is one of the best products because you can see the cancellation rate is 2.8%. So a lot of people who buy the product don't return it back to the seller. So it's one of the best products that you can promote. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to look at the sales page of the product so that we can get some basic information about it before we promote it. So just come right here, click on sales page. Once you click on sales page, you are going to see a page like this. This is the exact page that your potential customers are going to see before they buy the product. You can see the product owner has provided a lot of details about the product. You can see a whole lot of them. So when you get people to see this page, they can read more about the product and then make a purchase for you to make money. You can see a lot of details about the product, as you can see. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on store so that you can see the product itself. Once you click on store, you can see this is the product. It's a book that your potential customers have to buy. Let me scroll down to show you. You can see this is the title of the book and you can see the description right here. So now once you get to know more about the product, the next step is that you are going to promote it. So you are going to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. In case you are new to the product, you are going to see something like promote now. So once you click on it, you are going to get your affiliate link. So now the next step is that you are going to get traffic to this particular affiliate link so that we can get people to buy the product through our affiliate link. So if you get people to buy this product through your affiliate link, you are going to be earning the commission right here. So now the next step is that we are going to find the traffic source. To get free traffic, you are going to come on this website, ukclassifieds.co.uk. This website is a UK-based classified ads platform that you can use to promote your products for free. And the best part is that UK is one of the tier 1 countries, so you are going to be getting the right people who have the purchasing power to buy the product so that you can be earning money from home. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 54.49% of the people who visit the website are from the United Kingdom. You can see 16.47% are from India, and you can see right here 11.63% of the people who visit this particular website are from the United States. So this is one of the best platforms that you can use to promote your products for free. So now what you have to do is that you have to register for an account. So just click right here, register. Once you click on register, you can sign up with your email address or you can use your Google accounts and then sign up for a free account. In my case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in and then show you step by step on how to run ads on this platform for free. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here a lot of people who are selling different items on this platform. You can see a whole lot of different items that people are selling. As I scroll, you can see many of them. To run an ad on this platform, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, place an ad. Once you click on place an ad, you are going to select the category of the product that you are promoting. So just come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select for sale. Once you select that, you are going to select the subcategory. So this time you are going to select health and fitness because that is the category of the product that we are promoting. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the health and beauty right here. Just select it. Once that is done, you are going to select the location. So you can just type any location in the UK that you know. So you can just type something like York. You can see York, click on it. So that is it. Once you select the location, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can add your address. You can add the postcode. So if you want, you can do that. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see right here, you can enter your mobile number if you want. In this case, I don't want to show my phone number, so just deselect it. Once that is done, you're going to select right here, email visible on ad. So I want people to email me. So in case they have any question about the product, they can email me and I'm going to provide them the link of the product and then with some brief explanation. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here price. So let's go back to the product landing page. When you come back to the landing page of the product, you can see this is the selling price. So you are going to enter this amount. So you have to change it from pounds to US dollars. So just select US dollars and you are going to enter the amount right here. Just enter the amount. As you can see, that has been done. You can see right here item for free. So this item is not for free. Just leave it like that. So once that is done, you can see right here transactions. So just click on it. For transactions, you are going to select buy. You want people to buy it. Once that is done, you are going to select the condition and it's new. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to enter images of the product right here. So you can just come back on the product landing page, right click on the image of the product. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as so that you can save the image of the product. Once you download your image, you are going to click right here so that you can upload it. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, it has failed because of the network. So let me add another one to see if that will. Okay, let me add this one. As you can see, the same issue is because of the network, but I hope you get the idea. So you have to upload your images right here. You can upload up to 20 images, as you can see it right here. So once you have your images, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here the title of the product that you are promoting. So you are going to go back on the landing page and then copy the title of the product. So just come back on the landing page. Once you come back on the landing page, you can see this is the product. So let me just scroll down to show you. You can see right here, this is the description of the product. So you can copy everything about the description. So you are going to start from here and then copy the description of the product. As you can see, just highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste the description right here. So I've just pasted the description, as you can see. So let's paste the title. So just come back. You can see right here, this is the title of the product. Just highlight and copy the title. Once you highlight and copy the title, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. See, you have a title and a description. The next step is that you are going to provide a call to action right here and then submit your ad. So you are going to provide a call to action like click this link to get access to the product. So just a simple call to action like this. Once that is done, you are going to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So you are going to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, you are going to copy your affiliate link. So just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to search for tinyurl.com. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on the first website right here. Once you click on the website, paste your link right here so that you can shorten it. So once you paste your link, just click right here, make tiny URL. Once you click on that, you can see your link has been shortened. So just click right here, copy, so that you can copy your link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So now you are going to check your details again. Make sure you upload an image right here. Mine has failed because of the network, but make sure your image is well uploaded. This is just for demonstration purpose, so I'm not going to wait for the network. I just want you to get the idea. So you can see all the details are available. You can see everything that you need to do. We have done that. So once you have your details, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then click right here, submit, so that you can submit your ad. As you can see, they are checking if your connection is secured, so you are going to wait for them to check. As you can see right here, your listing has been published. You can see right here, it is not visible yet. It has to be validated by the administrator before it goes live onto this platform, but it has been published, as you can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to create another ad and then post it onto this platform. You have to create a lot of different ads and then post it to the platform so that you can get many people to click through your links and then buy the products that you are promoting, so that you can be earning money on Digistore24. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.